There is nothing perfect in nature. The edges are round. If the law is inadequate, quietly advise us, we shall go to Parliament and fine-tune that law. But don't break the law. Don't break the law. Don't go about beating Kyagulanyi. No! Kyagulanyi should be treated. Kyagulanyi, BSJ, whoever is in opposition, don't beat them for their opposite ideas. So contain them for behaving unprofessionally, conduct unfit for public convenience. When these fellows are doing their conferences, because these political parties are legitimate, they are legal. We have them in the constitution. Me, I didn't like this business of Marat Party, but Ugandans went into a referendum and said we shall go Marat Party. We shall write it in the constitution. So whether I like it or don't like it, I have to respect it, because that's the law. So when you are dealing with these fellows of the opposition, as police officers, don't deal with the opposition. Deal with bad conduct. So tell Kyagulanyi, tell BSJ, tell I don't know who the other one can say, if you want to do your meeting, don't do it on the street. Don't do it in the market. Don't do it in a school. Don't do it in show him where to go. Say, if you want to make noise, go to Kororo, go and jump up and down. When you are tired, you go home. If he's going to Ginger, take him to the market, not the market, someplace, the playground. Say, you go there, and let him go there with his people, his or her people. They jump up and down, shout, and they can insult those of us who are in the politics. When they are finished, they go home without inconveniencing anybody. Let them exercise their rights while respecting the rights of others. They should exercise their rights, their constitutional rights, while respecting the rights of others. Don't come to our markets. Don't inconvenience us on the street. For you are going to a rally, me, I'm doing trade.